Hey, welcome back for another Trick Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is about a pretty simple and unique tool that's going to make it a lot easier to locate where you want to drill a hole saw. So this kit here is the Tucci Hot Rods hole saw transfer punch kit, and really it comes in most handy on, say a project where you're going to be working underneath something inside of a car or that sort of thing, and it just makes it a lot easier instead of trying to use a ruler or tape measure, that sort of thing, to be able to draw out, how big and where your hole saw is going to be. You can actually use the hole saw in place to be able to mark out the center point of where you need to drill. So how this works is you got two different threaded adapters. These fit the small and big hole saws. So you thread the adapter on the hole saw, and then it comes with a punch that's already the correct size, so you slide that in here, and then say you're working underneath the dash of a car, you want to stick this up underneath the dash on the firewall, up underneath, that sort of thing. You just put that on there, hit the punch with a hammer, and it leaves that center point on there, and it really makes it quick to locate where the hole saw is, so you can easily move, place it where you need it. Works well on dashes, that sort of thing, anywhere where it just would be a lot easier not to have to use a ruler and possibly some kind of circle template to be able to mark out how big your hole saw's going to be and where it's going to be. So this kit makes it real easy for that. So check out the Tucci Hot Rods hole saw transfer punch kit, and we'll see you next Tuesday.